What is up, world? How's everybody doing today? Welcome to another Studio Saturdays. And today we're going to be doing sort of a holiday-themed portrait edit. So I have a photo of a friend here in between some Christmas trees. And we have these nice little accent red berries in here. Just kind of had him stare out into the middle of nowhere. But we're mainly going to focus on using graduated and radial filters for this. Okay, so now that we have this going so far, these are just all our basic edits as of right now. All raw data done, but now we're going to move into our radial and graduated filters, and you guys are going to see how those kind of play into the edit a bit more than just messing with this data. What we're going to do is we're just going to try and make his face a little bit crisper, preserve some more details, bring out that hairline. We don't really want the shadows from the cap kind of pushing down like that, so we're going to be kind of raising it a little, kind of getting rid of the shadow underneath the hat and under the chin. Like so. And you guys could see what that kind of does. Like so. So you guys can see, giving him a more natural skin tone. It's almost a little too warm. Okay, go to like a +4, half it. I think just like that looks pretty dang good. And then the next thing we're gonna do is gonna add in a graduated filter. It's obviously gonna apply the same effect that we just did because it maintains the effect of the last filter that you applied. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try and add in a bit more of this green, but we want it lighter. So you can see, we can adjust it here. We can make it red, we can make it blue. We could even make his coat pop a bit more, so. So as you see, we can add in all this data to really play with the picture. So if I want to have a darker, which I kind of like this moodier, darker background on it, we can kind of start to play into that a bit more. Let's see what it looks like if we add in one across the bottom as well. So we're going to reduce these blues slightly, so we're going to bring those greens back out. And we're just going to keep playing with these until it looks appropriate for the image. Obviously it doesn't have to be washed or anything like that. So I think on this one I'm going to have to reduce those blues a little bit more, although I do like the moody tone. Not that moody tone. We're just going to pull this over more. And let's see the before and after. And I think one thing I want to do is I want to maybe add one right here, but we'll kind of go in the opposite direction. So it's basically just adjusting and playing with these until it feels appropriate. And then the next thing I'm going to do is we're going to jump back to another radial filter. We're going to put this one over his face again, a little bit broader than his face, and we're going to click outside. So we're going to put the effect to the outside, and then we're going to cool it down and turn it green again. What is this? So we could really see the before and after here. How we try and lighten an image and make it a little bit more whimsical and stuff. Like so. His skin is really, really orange here. So we're just going to open the image now, and then I'm going to go through frequency separation. If you guys don't know what frequency separation is, check out the other video on my channel. I'll put the link for it here, right above here. You can go check out that video. Other than that, that's the end of today's Studio Saturday, the use of graduated and radiated filters. If you guys found anything useful from this, let me know. Otherwise, I'll show you guys one last time the difference between the two images. So there's our before and after, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.